Hello, hi, how are you? I hope you are good. So, I just wanted to come online for a very interesting reason. I wanted to talk about a cue card related to IELTS exam. About IELTS exam, I will talk later on. First of all, I will discuss this cue card which I took from Macquarie's January to April 2021 book. So the cue card is describe an aquatic animal, and the questions are what it looks like, when you saw it, where you saw it, explain why it is interesting. So now I will talk about for 2 minutes on this cue card. I will try to restrict myself for 2 minutes. If I go further, please forgive me. Shark, like, okay, an aquatic animal, okay. There are many aquatic animals that I like, such as crocodiles, jellyfish, rhinoceros, and many others, but shark is my favorite. There are many reasons for which I find shark very interesting, such as it has huge lifespan of 20 to 30 years, which is quite bigger than other animals, and it can swim faster than many other sea animals, as fast as 50 kilometers per hour. Last year, I saw a shark personally. I went to an aquarium on my birthday in Toronto. I went there with my colleague and we had decided to go there a while ago. So it was my first experience visiting an aquarium, and the aquarium was very famous. And I remember as I entered, I could see so many different sea animals and plant. And then I entered the main part of aquarium. It was a tunnel, and this tunnel was made full of glass, and I could see so many different colorful animals and plants. Suddenly, I just looked backwards and I just got scared because there was a shark and it was looking straight into my eyes. And oh my god, it had very sharp teeth, and I couldn't believe my eyes. And its structure was bigger than an elephant. And what's more interesting was that its skin was like sandpaper. I had read about it, but I never saw it, so this experience was very amazing. I think features or the characteristics of sharks like boneless structure and this high level predatory skills, and a very sad fact like it's on the verge of extinction make it a very interesting animal, but I personally adore it. So this was the cue card that I tried to answer. I don't know how far I was, you know, I justified the rules of IELTS exam, but I tried my best. So let's talk about the IELTS exam. This video that I talked about this cue code almost for 2 minutes and 10 seconds. I think it's justified. If I just passed, 10 seconds, I spoke for 10 seconds more, I should be restricted to 2 minutes rule only, which is good. I have seen that in examination, when we deliver the cue card, an examiner usually allows the candidate to speak for more than 2 minutes, but it is the responsibility of the candidate to speak for only 2 minutes. So that's a subject of some other discussion. This video that I made is for the students that I have seen shying away from speaking session, and I have seen that they mostly skip this session altogether in their institutes, and they rarely go for this speaking session. And whenever they do, they usually try to make it very private. So this video is for them, for those students, and for people who are preparing for IELTS examination, academic as well as general. I I have an experience, a long experience of IELTS. So this 2 minutes video of cue card I have made after almost a gap of more than 1.5 years. So I guess there will be so many mistakes, but I will post it as it is. And yeah, in my next videos I will try to speak on other IELTS topics so that I could cover most of them. And there are some general rules that I advise IELTS candidates to follow. The first rule is try to be as concise as possible and try to use vocabulary which is in your control, and try to frame simple sentence structures. And there could be so many tips and suggestions that I will suggest in my other videos, because I was not ready for suggestions, because my major motivation for this video was just to make a video on cue card so that I could inspire other candidates in their journey. And yeah, that's all about this video. And tomorrow I will try to make one more video about some other cue card. And one more tip for you is that whenever you deliver a cue card, in every cue card you should mention at least 2-3 basic facts, and always include an example of your past experience, because in this way you could cover at least 30 to 40 seconds or even a minute, and it will add to your IELTS bands, and it will be an advantage, and you will have a huge content base from which you can choose and present your cue card as fluent as possible. Yeah, thank you so much, and tomorrow I will be back with one more IELTS video. Have a nice time.